Hey there, car enthusiasts. Today, I want to introduce you to the FIXD Bluetooth OBD2 scanner for car. This amazing tool is a game changer for anyone who wants to take control of their car's maintenance and diagnostics. With the FIXD car scanner and OBD app, you can instantly translate over 7,000 engine fault codes into plain English right on your phone. This wireless Bluetooth connection makes it easy to set up in minutes. Not only does the FIXD scanner save you money and prevent rip-offs at the repair shop, but it also works with your car. It's compatible with all gas-powered vehicles made in 1996 or newer and all diesel vehicles 2008 or newer, making it a perfect diagnostic scan tool for a wide range of vehicles. But that's not all. FIXD is the only car code scanner that also tracks maintenance and wear items and automatically notifies you when your car is due for service. It's like having a personal car mechanic in the palm of your hand. And if you have multiple vehicles, you can connect one or more FIXD OBD code readers to monitor the whole fleet from one account. It's the ultimate peace of mind for you and your family. Upgrade your sensor with FIXD Premium, and you'll also gain access to certified mechanics for car care questions, repairs, and guaranteed cost estimates for repairs. This subscription is optional, but it's a game changer for anyone serious about taking care of their car. So, if you're ready to take control of your car's maintenance and diagnostics, I highly recommend checking out the FIXD Bluetooth OBD2 scanner for car. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Don't miss out on this amazing tool. It's time to take control of your car's health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more car maintenance tips and reviews.